So SAS's Caring for Coral came from a personal passion of mine, which is diving and reef conservation.
Like, coral is dying in our world, and we also need to do something about it.
Well, there were a few reefs that were really bleached and were not that beautiful at all.
It's also home for many fish, and it is something that we actually need in our ocean.
And we need to save it before it dies off.
And how reefs are really such an essential part of our larger ecosystem. They learned about that information, but then also they learned some very essential skills on how to actually hands-on monitor the health of reef using the program that's outlined by an organization called Coral Watch.
So, when in the water, we took surveys and data to see if it's healthy or not.
We had a lot of fun, and also we got to record, we got to go snorkeling with them. We got to record the data for the coral, and then we typed it in, and it helped kind of save the reef a little.
So I think that the data that we sent to them from what we observed would help them make a better idea of what's happening there.
Really getting in the water and looking at all the coral and the samples was really fun.
Which you do this by looking at the color of coral. And so we learned those practical skills here at school. Then we took everything that we learned and brought it to Anilao, Philippines. And in the Philippines, the kids, actually snorkelers and divers alike, went and rated the health of coral. So it was actually taking the real life learning, the learning they learned in the classroom, and brought it to the real life world where there's actually a need.
I like all of it because the diving was really fun too, because I enjoy diving and I saw lots of things I've never seen before, and also hanging out with everybody at the hotel looking out at the ocean was also
Yeah, it was it was really fun, mainly because we got to hang out with friends for a weekend, and we got to snorkel and just be in the Philippines.
I would not be surprised if, based on a 4-day experience in the Philippines, that there's not at least one or two of those students who will forever be monitoring or wanting to get involved in the health of reef.
We can't be so selfish and be oh, it's just coral. We have to do actually something about it.